Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to see a chat with someone who blocked you on Snapchat, which means if you have had a chat with someone on Snapchat and now they have blocked you on Snapchat. Now if you want to see that chat and how you can do that, for this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the Snapchat here, and after that you have to simply open the chat, and here you have to simply try to search for that person. And after that, if that person shows to you, then you can simply open the chat, and if there is no chat available, then you can easily recover that chat. But if even that person doesn't show here in your chat, then there is also another method which you can simply read the chat of that person who has blocked you on Snapchat. For this what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat again, and here you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile, and after that what you have to do, you have to click on settings, and here you have to simply scroll it down, and you have to find the option of my data here. Here you have to click on my data, which means you have to simply download the data of your Snapchat account on your email, which includes only the chat history, and where you can simply find the chat history related to that contact which have logged you on Snapchat. But before doing this, you have to simply log into your Snapchat account again. Here you have to provide your username or email, and after that you have to click on next, and they will ask you which kind of data you want to download, and after that a downloaded form of data will be available on your email, and you can simply download the data, and you can simply see that chat with that person who has blocked you on Snapchat. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.